On the blue side, please welcome Macau Polytechnic University from Macau, China.
紅色賽區係嚟自印度嘅拉爾拜達爾帕特拜工程學院，而喺藍色賽區嘅係中國澳門隊澳門理工大學。喺呢個時候咧，我哋都麻煩 Rico 講翻之前嗰場先，其實正話嗰個係冇人上訴嘅。 係問緊問題啫。
Yes, so there was actually no appeal from the team in the previous game. It was only a question for the judges. But nonetheless, the final game score with the China blue team has scored a total of 320 points with the Kung Fu Master, defeating Kazakhstan team with 0 points.
換言之，剛才嗰場勝出嘅係中國國家隊，恭喜晒！
Referee ready. 1 minute set up time. 3, 2, 1, stop.
嗱，佢哋都開始準備啦。跟住其實佢放嗰啲功夫 master 上去啲留意都有兩個速度嘅，有啲咧好早就放晒，有啲咧係去到最後1秒鐘都仲放緊。呢個唔知係咪都係一個策略嚟嘅？
KFS check.
So this is the referee final check before the game begins.
Number 3.
已經去到第13場嘅賽事啊，又係嗰句啊！如果大家一路 mark 緊啲分數，心水清嘅，大約都應該都計多兩個小組邊隊出線㗎啦，應該都可以。
Yes,
Ready for the game. Referee ready. 3, 2, 1, stop.
啊，亦都係咧，兩隊都已經係第2次上場啊！睇下佢哋今次嘅成績會同之前嗰場會唔會有啲唔同先。
Yes, but this time on the red side is the team from India, and on the blue side is the team from Macau, China. So it seems like both teams are not going as smooth as they hope to be. The red team is moving to the spearhead rack to try to pick up the spearhead. And it seems like the blue team is still working a little bit on the software with the computer.
係喎，而家睇到澳門理工大學嗰邊，可能而家都仲撳緊部電腦喎，係咪啊？阿 George 佢呢個時候係咪唔應該做呢一樣嘢咧？
啱啱刪嘅，
啱啱刪翻啊！係，你即係處理到啦，處理到啦。咦？唔係喎，佢又打翻開喎。不過其實做咗咁多年比賽咧，都係嘅。即係我覺得另外一個大家可以留意就係佢哋喺個現場應變能力啊。遇到啲問題點樣去即時處理？呢個因為大家一個好好嘅學習經驗嚟。
Very, very close, but it's about the precision, and it's still lacking a little bit.
嗱，時間剩翻1分鐘。嗱，如果都係喺呢度嘅話咧，我哋都要俾啲鼓勵場上邊嘅朋友們啊。
For sure. And of course, the Macau Polytechnic University was actually just established last year. So they definitely have been doing really well in the past year with their efforts, making it to this RoboCon.
嗱，剩翻半分鐘嘅時間，可能個問題都可能係相對地比較難解決，但係即係有一樣嘢大家可以留意，佢哋兩隊都冇放棄到嘅，仍然喺度好努力咁樣，希望可以盡到最後一分力。
Let's see if the Indian team is able to pick up just a little bit. So counting down with the final seconds.
好，3分鐘時間結束。
30 seconds appeal time starts now。
嗱，雖然兩隊咧今次喺個分數上都未能夠有進帳，但係希望大家都會睇到啊。其實佢哋唔係喺個場裏邊3分鐘，其實係過去個1年甚至乎再多啲時間之前咧，已經為咗今日嘅比賽而努力嘅。所以今日去到呢一度，可以攞部機械人上嚟，已經係值得大家再俾一啲掌聲。場裏邊嘅呢兩班同學。
Yes, cheers to their amazing efforts and also their focus and resilience to try to solve all these instant problems.
好，喺準備嘅同時，亦都麻煩 Rico 啱啱講咗，可以講一講呢一場嘅賽事嘅成績啦。
The final scores is 0 versus 0 by the team India and also Macau, China.
暫時兩隊都未有進帳嘅。嗱，究竟而家呢個成績會唔會影響到另外嗰啲嘅出線嘅隊伍咧？嗱，呢個陣間都要麻煩咁多位評判團嘅朋友啊，去計一計數先得啦。
Yes, so we're only down to 3 more games in the preliminaries because in total we have 16 games and then 8 teams would advance to the quarterfinals, which will take place later this afternoon. And our television program will begin at 3:30. So as soon as this clears up, we will be starting game 14 of the preliminary rounds.